Hello and welcome to Alien Tech Industries S-Cube unboxing and instructional video. We're going to start off by taking off the slip cover. Then you can open up the box. As you can see, here's the S-Cube inside its foam protective casing. When you take it out, you'll notice the projection lenses in the front. It's got the micro HDMI, power button, focus wheel, and audio aux on the side, on the right side, and two ports on the left side. One for your charging port and one for your micro HDMI port. In the rear, it has the infrared sensor for your remote control. Take out the protective foam. You'll find a charger inside. Standard micro USB charger connects to the port on the left side towards the front. Your instruction manual. Make sure you take the time to go through the precautions and the instructional parts. At the base of the box, you will find the rest of the accessories. You just have to pull off this piece of so. And in here you will find the MHL wire for MHL compatible Android devices, your tripod, your remote control, your cradle, and your micro HDMI to HDMI adapter. Before you start your browsing, just make sure you remove this plastic tab so that your battery may engage inside your remote and your remote is now ready for use. So now we're going to demonstrate how to set up and connect the S-Cube projector. Once you have everything laid out and you have located the cradle, you can mount it on the cube directly on the bottom or the back by the notches that are cut out in front and back and then in the top rear. Mount it as so. Just pull on it over the rubber and it should snap in as such. Once you've snapped it in, you can actually screw it on your tripod. It's actually a GorillaPod. Now, if you have an Android device and you've checked with your manufacturer's specs and you have MHL compatibility, this wire is all you need to connect to the S-Cube. So, if you have an MHL compatible Android device, you just unwind this wire as such, connect the blue end to the S-Cube projector on this side, and connect the red end to the micro USB end on your Android device. It must be an MHL compatible device. Not all Android devices are MHL compatible, so you must check with your manufacturer and make sure that this fitting will go in your port. To connect this iPhone, all you need is a Lightning to HDMI adapter. You can purchase these at your local electronics store. They connect at the end of your iPhone as such. Then you are able to connect an HDMI wire, which then connects to the HDMI to micro HDMI adapter that comes with the S-Cube. And now it fits right into the micro HDMI port on the side of your S-Cube, connecting your iPhone and all the content on its screen directly displaying through this cube. Now note, when you first start the projector, the image may be blurry. All you have to do is locate the focusing wheel on the right side, spin it clockwise or counterclockwise until you have a crisp picture. Once you have done that, now you are ready to play content via SD card or connected to a device. Now I'm going to be plugging into an iPhone. Now, as I discussed, instant device recognition, as soon as you plug in, it should pop up a screen that says disconnected and then immediately show you what's on your screen. You can see everything that's on your iPhone now, scroll through everything, choose an application like YouTube. Yeah, I have a video ready. It's in 1080 that I'm able to play. So once the S-Cube is on, it has instant device recognition. So if you want to connect a laptop, all you need is your micro HDMI to HDMI adapter, and then connect the HDMI wire directly to your laptop. When the S-Cube is on, it immediately detects the laptop and begins screen mirroring mode. Now I'm going to connect to a laptop. Once I plug in the HDMI, this is what you should see. As you can see, I have already pulled up my custom display settings so that I can illustrate. I have set up my laptop to mirroring mode, so I'm using this as an external monitor and I'm just having it mirror everything on my laptop right now. You can set it up differently, depends on on how you would like to set it up. If you want 2 monitors or just everything on mirroring from one to the other. This is content playing directly from my laptop. Another way to play content through this device is directly through its micro SD port. Just insert a micro SD card loaded with pictures, PDF files, and movies and enjoy them directly and browse through them with the remote. And now we're going to demonstrate how to play content directly from the SD card. Here's our native screen. Now, with the remote, you can browse left to right and choose between PDF, images, and videos. When you have chosen a category, you can just browse down through the files and play anything you want, from movies to your own personal videos. Control the volume with the remote. The OK button and the left and right scroll buttons control the fast forward, rewind, and pause button. On the bottom left you have an exit button, and then you can go and scroll through and play other content. So now we're going to demonstrate how to play PDF files. Just go over to the tab on your native screen that says PDF Viewer, click OK, choose the file, and now you can use the up, down, left, right buttons on your remote control to scroll down and up, and the left and right to zoom in and zoom out. What we have shown you here today is the best Pico projector in the market by far, making its most noticeable difference in brightness and resolution. Up to 2.5 hours of playtime, so you can play most movies in full or leave it plugged in for continuous play. You can play it anywhere on the go, anytime, any place, camping, office presentations, or just watching movies in your backyard. So on behalf of Alien Tech Industries, thank you for purchasing our product, and we hope you and your family really enjoy it.